Ibinahagi ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim stars na sina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino ang dahilan kung bakit mas gusto nilang hindi maging CEO ng kumpanya. Sa panayam ng Inquirer Entertainment, sinabi ni Kim na wala sa plano niya noon ang maging CEO ng isang kumpanya. Ayon pa sa aktres, noong bata pa siya ay pangarap niya ng maging isang bank manager at na-imagine rin niya ang kanyang sarili na nagbibilang ng maraming pera. Anya, I wanted to be a bank manager when I was younger. I imagined myself counting a lot of money, even though it's not mine. I want to be in a setup where work is timed. No one can force me to work when the time is up. These days, it's not too hard to become CEO anymore. You can be your own company's CEO, but probably not as big as BMC in What's Wrong. It's tough to be him because there's so much pressure. Bagamat ang role ni Paolo sa seryeng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim ay isang narcissistic boss na si Brandon Manansala Castillo o BMC, inamin ng aktor sa panayam sa kanya ng Inquirer Entertainment na hindi niya gustong maging isang CEO ng isang kumpanya. Sinabi rin niya na kung sakaling magkakaroon man siya ng sariling kumpanya, ay mas gugustuhin niyang mag-hire ng CEO para mag-manage nito. Anya, I don't want to be CEO. I just want to be somebody in the background. I won't be able to do the stuff I want to do if I work in a company full-time. This is what I really love, the entertainment industry. If ever, I will just hire a CEO to manage my company. Ayon pa kay Paolo, minsan ay na-imagine niya ang kanyang sarili bilang bahagi ng corporate world but still part of the creative field. Bagamat inihayag niya na wala siyang sariling sekretarya, sinabi ng aktor na sa tingin niya ay importante ang pagkakaroon ng sekretarya sa isang kumpanya. Dagdag pa niya, ang kanyang management ang naghahandle ng kanyang schedule at siya ang nagmamanage ng kanyang own kalokohan. Para naman kay Kim, very thankful naman siya sa kanyang ate na sila Cam dahil siya ang kanyang right and left hands at siya rin ang naghahandle ng personal businesses nito. Dagdag pa niya, mayroon siyang road manager pagdating sa kanyang trabaho bilang isang artista. Anya, she is both my right and left hands. I don't know how I would have survived if not for Mayate. The love and care as a sister is also there. She would tell me, I got this. Just focus on what you're supposed to do in front of the camera. She handles even my personal businesses. When it comes to my work life, I also have May Im from Star Magic.